This video is presented by Sandy Goles.
Object-oriented programming (OOP) is a fundamental paradigm in software development that revolves around the concept of objects. Objects encapsulate data attributes and behavior methods into distinct entities, mirroring real-world counterparts. This approach has revolutionized software design and development, offering several advantages over traditional programming methods.
Key characteristics of object-oriented programming. Benefits of object-oriented programming.
Class, vehicle defines common attributes and behaviors. Objects, car, and bicycle instances of the vehicle class with specific attributes and behaviors. Inheritance, motorcycle and sports car new classes inheriting common properties from the vehicle class, but with additional specific features. This analogy helps illustrate how the concept of classes, objects, and inheritance works in a way that's relatable to everyday objects and their relationships.
Demonstration of C# simple code. In this code, the user will input the acceleration in order to get the current speed of the car. Demonstration of Python simple code.